Next project we're doing, couple whips here. So the switch is an outlet, so we got to put the switch right about there. So what we're gonna do is just go from behind and put a box. So we need basically just 2 connectors, or we can go here, come here, and then come back down. But this route, let me see, 2 whips, that's about it. Now here, I still need to frame this. We gotta put a switch here and then a light right there. So we're gonna take the whole thing, already bended. See how close I am to getting it. A little bit more. I'll take the pipe bender, and then this one. So what's next? Then we gotta do an offset. I'll show you guys why. Oh. Straight. I'm not sure if it's gonna stick, but worth a try. What do you guys think? A fail? Uh-oh. It is a fail. No, hold on. Can't give up. There we go. Okay, that's straight. Let's not make it into a disaster. My goodness gracious. It was a fail. Almost. You guys seen that? Almost had it. Yep. Totally busted. Should have just popped the hole and well, bam. Can't get them on. My next project, forgot you guys were there, so cutting this pipe, going through, there was some flex coming through here, coming around, so I made 2 big holes. I want to go to this is the bathroom. I need to put a GFCI and also a box for a light. Perfect right here. So now we have to put a 1900 box and then come down with another 1900 box. And since it's all drywall, typically we would put it at 45 to the 40. Don't worry guys, this ain't your typical install today because we're actually doing this new construction. Perfect. So right here. There we go. Now, it's a little tricky because we're doing this backwards. I should have bent this way. So one more up there, facing that way. Time to go, guys. Cleaning this up. Sorry, guys. I gotta really work on my battery. I'm gonna cut this here, do a little offset. This pipe here. So I cleaned all this up. You guys remember all this demolition, that hanging wires, still that little wire there. So gotta get rid of. So present and mark. I don't know. I know bandsaws are go-to tools, but look, it's not as heavy and manageable. Just whip it up. Huh? All right, put that whip, put it right here in this box. You see that crack there? So that connector coupling is holding it. Perfect.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, you can move around. Yeah, you can move.